Welcome to Broke vs. Pro, where I'm a broke and he's a pro.
So, what's the plan?
We are going to go to Amazon and add stuff to cart to make a working workstation, but don't think that we are going to buy it because you don't watch our videos, so we don't get the money. But we are still going to make the best PC we can in the limited time and budget that we are going to get. What do we need first? Keyboard, I guess.
Keyboard.
My favorite part of a PC.
You wasted your 40 seconds buying
I
keyboard.
can't speak right now. I am buying Samsung, which is one of the best in the market with Windows 10.
The case is worth 22,000 rupees. Serious?
10 lakh, budget 10 lakh.
Still you are wasting your time buying cheap. You have 3 minutes left.
For those who don't have the context, this is like the second run for this because the first run for some reason got deleted because there are loads of parts in a PC and you can't buy possibly all of them in under 5 minutes. So now Tanishq, the judge of this entire challenge, is going to judge my workstation. I guess you shall begin.
Yes. Okay, the first thing you bought is Logitech Pop Keys Mechanic.
It's like my dream keyboard, so please don't judge me by that.
I don't think the keyboard is good. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Okay, I thought you were going to build a PC, but no problem.
The challenge name is Workstation, not a PC.
Microsoft Windows 11. Logitech. Very simple. Kitchen dining room. Easily sitting 2 to 4 members.
We actually want just
So
one
you
person.
bought a dining table for your work. ASE Gaming Gold Series ergonomic gaming chair with footrest premium. Bro, I don't remember. Okay. Bro, this is the best gaming chair available.
But look at the price of my chair.
17,000.
18.
Okay, 18,000. The last thing. RGB lights.
This will give the setup a new life. So, how much would you like to rate my workstation out of 5?
4, I guess 4.5.
4.5. That's pretty good for a budget under 1 lakh. Now Tanishq is going to review the 10 lakh PC. Let's get started with Aryan's.
Total is 3,16,000 with a budget of 10 lakhs. Cool. He bought Samsung 34 inches monitor, which is pretty good. But I would have bought a 1 lakh or 4 lakh rupees TV. Okay, he bought a pre-built PC containing best available specs. Okay, then he bought a gaming mouse with 8 programmable buttons.
Well, actually, that's the same mouse I bought.
Yes,
Because it's the best
but
mouse.
I guess it's wireless.
No, it's wired. No, I don't like Bluetooth.
Pure shit.
It looks so ugly.
No, it's comfortable.
Yeah.
What's comfortable in it? You could just place a pillow under your keyboard.
Look, this one is more beautiful than that.
Yeah, you are Indian, bro. Jugards. And he bought a
Empty case.
case worth 22,500.
So, what's the rating for this PC?
Okay. So 3 out of 5.
Wait, there actually is a chance for me to win.
Yes, cause he spent 3 lakh rupees having a budget of 10 lakh. Okay, I don't mind, but he bought a useless empty gaming case and a pretty ugly monitor. Not monitor, keyboard.
Which keyboard is better? Mine 6,000 keyboard or his 20,000 keyboard?
12.
12,000 keyboard.
Yours.
That is my dream keyboard, thanks.
It's comfortable.
comfortable.
That's ugly.
It's just attached to a cushion. Nothing's comfortable to it.
So whose piece is actually better? What's your final verdict on workstation and daily work basis?
Station, you both have lost.